everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, we are continuing on with Paper Week with napkins, paper napkins. Alright, and I don't know hardly any families anymore that have cloth napkins on the dining room table. And if you have kids, grandkids, you know you can go through a couple paper napkins with kids cleaning their faces, they spilling stuff on the table and stuff, at dinner table quite often. Right? So having paper napkins is probably a very good thing to have because you don't want to have to put out towels out there for everybody to use and then having to wash those, because the way municipalities are jacking the rates up on their water, you don't want to have to be doing extra loads of laundry. All right, so think about it. Add it to your prep. See if you think you need it. Paper napkins. All right, so before I take off, I'm going to throw a link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, the link to the playlist, Prepping for Beginners, and then the playlist, Prepping in Private here. All right, take care. I'll see you around.